Once upon a time, in a land that was eternally kissed by sunshine, there lived a young maiden named Rapunzel. Her hair, long and golden like a field of wheat in the summer, gleamed as it cascaded down the tower she called home. But Rapunzel had a secret long unknown to her, a secret about her past. Many years ago, when Rapunzel was just a baby, she was the princess of a majestic kingdom hidden deep within the enchanted forest. The kingdom sparkled with magic where trees whispered stories and rivers sang lullabies. However, one unfortunate day, shadows cast by the wicked sorceress Hazelia swept across the land, and the kingdom disappeared into oblivion. Rapunzel was whisked away to safety by her kind fairy godmother, who raised her in the solitude of a tower to keep her hidden from Hazelia's dark magic. Rapunzel spent her days wondering whether she would ever touch the grass beneath her feet or feel the gentle breeze in her hair, outside the confines of stone walls. Though she loved her godmother dearly, her heart yearned for a place unknown, a place where her dreams of light and laughter began. One starry night, as Rapunzel gazed out from her tower, the moon, gentle and silver, whispered to her. "Dear Rapunzel," it spoke softly, "do you feel the call of your lost kingdom? Your destiny awaits, and you must find the courage to reclaim the land that sleeps within your heart." Inspired by the moon's words, Rapunzel prepared for a magical journey. She braided her golden hair into a sturdy rope, and on the edge of dawn, stepped out into the world for the first time. The forest embraced her warmly, and with each step, animals of the enchanted wood guided her deeper into the mysterious realm. The clever squirrels led her past gnarled trees, and her hummingbird friends showed her secret paths of sunlight filigree that danced upon the forest floor. Just as the sun painted the sky with twilight colors, Rapunzel stumbled upon a hidden glen where the air tingled with wondrous magic. "You are close," sang the breeze, "for the door to your kingdom is near at hand." Rapunzel, with unwavering determination, looked for the key to open this wondrous portal. She remembered the lullaby her godmother always sang to her, a melody of courage and hope. With courage in her heart and a song in her soul, Rapunzel ventured farther. Then, from amongst the trees, a golden sunbeam fell upon a rusted old swing. Her heart skipped. "The swing!" she cried, "the key!" As she approached it, the swing shimmered and shone, unveiling an ancient gate decorated with sparkling jewels. When Rapunzel softly sang the lullaby, the gate opened grandly, revealing the sleeping kingdom flanked by lush gardens awash with blossoms and magical beings waking from a long slumber. Rapunzel's arrival revived the kingdom, illuminating it in beauty and grace, challenging Hazelia's dark influence. With her kind and gentle heart, Rapunzel led the way to restoring harmony, and the kingdom blossoms once more under the warm sun where children play, flowers bloom, and happiness reigns. And there, in her true home, Rapunzel ruled with wisdom and joy, forever remembering the day she followed the moon's whisper to find her destiny, weaving the magic of her kingdom with her gracious golden hair. And when the night sky twinkled with 1,000 stars, Rapunzel and her magical kingdom rested in slumber, peaceful and serene, dreaming of adventures yet to come. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.